Lane states multiple times in his video that higher total protein and animal protein intake was associated with less risk of chronic diseases. Here's an example.
And a lot of people have made claims that protein could contribute to various diseases like cancer, heart disease. I mean, this study doesn't really support that because people who were eating higher protein intakes had lower rates of these.
That is simply not true. If we look at Table 3, the researchers show the effect that total protein, animal protein, dairy protein, and plant protein had on the 4 individual outcomes that make up the healthy aging composite outcome. In column 2, we can clearly see that every 3% energy increase from total protein or animal protein is actually associated with 5% lower odds of being free of chronic disease. In other words, higher total protein intake and higher animal protein intake was associated with more risk of developing one or more of the 11 chronic diseases that I read out earlier, whereas dairy and plant protein did not increase risk of developing chronic disease. It's right there in the paper, a reminder for scientists and science students to look beyond the abstract and really take the time to think about the outcomes measured and what the data means for yourself before reading the author's discussion.